Hello, dear students. I am your teacher Rana Hbesh, gonna teach you for this year life science. Before starting, I want to tell you this. I miss you. I hope you are all fine. First, as you all know, science has many branches. The branches of science that we'll learn this year are physics, chemistry, and life science, including biology, that is the material that I will teach. Starting by physics. What does it include? Last year, we have learned how to calculate weight and measure mass, how to calculate work and power and other measurements and calculations. All these are related to physics and many more lessons that you will learn this year. By moving to chemistry, it is the branch that studies the chemical elements and compounds, the chemical reactions, acids, bases, and neutrals, and many others. Moving to life science, that is the science that studies the life of living organisms. The chapters we will study are the scientific method that shows the steps that we do in order to make sure of a certain point, starting by asking a question, then forming a hypothesis, then planning an experiment, observing and recording the data, drawing out conclusions, and finally we share our findings. Next, we'll move to nutrition in plants. Actually, nutrition in plants shows us how do plants use sunlight and water from the soil that is absorbed by the roots and circulated in the stem to reach the leaves where there is chlorophyll that use carbon dioxide to make new matter. This is called photosynthesis. Then we'll move to digestion that shows us how our digestive system is organized and how does it work. Then we'll move to respiration in different media that shows us that there are different ways of breathing according to the organism. There are different respiratory system. Hence there is gills respiration in fish, there is tracheal respiration in insects, there is pulmonary respiration like in chicken. Then we'll move to the circulatory system in humans and we'll study the anatomy of our heart, that is the motor of circulation. And if time allowed us, we'll move to genetics, that is the lesson we missed last year, that shows us how are our genes arranged on chromosomes that are present in the nuclei of all cells. Finally, I hope you will revise the scientific method for next time as to start clearly and stay safe, dear. See you next time.